Hey, you. Yeah, yeah. Did you sub? Did you click sub? Bruh. Click that sub, bruh.
I hope that I pressed the 4K button this time. Holy, out of like 30 something videos, mans are just realizing they can shoot 4K up here. And then I woke up, I was like, shit, maybe that's a good idea. Maybe I should plan my things like that. But also not really, because like, let's not get in trouble out here. Because like, I'm trying to slide all around the place and shit. Oh, I need the ABS tweaks on this thing. The big startup gang. Yeah. Let me see if I can pull one of this. I used to hoon this corner all the time. It was actually hilarious. Oh, that was weak. If that stupid Honda wasn't there. Type commit, because you gotta be perfect. Like if there's any imperfections, you're gonna probably get it. Oh yeah, that's definitely how you go way too much. Oh yeah, way too much. Relax there, but it's weird. It like throws it gets sideways, but then gives it like that extra throw because like probably because it's like heavy and the tires are not winter. Whee! I love oblivious people. Like I literally mangy this whole shit, and the person even fucking budge. Like, you gotta be aware of your surroundings. Like, what if I was like an unexperienced teenager who's like, whipped it, he like yeeted it right into the back of that bitch's head. This is pretty much how I've learned. Like 140 horsepower car, shout out to my E30. 220 horsepower car, shout out to my E39. Hopefully my spot's good. I have a feeling it's not going to be. But if that's the case, just go to my other spot, which is technically better, but it's like I think it's more sus. It gets riskier. I've seen feds like fucking chilling there. Chat going dumb and dumber. I move the X's with the pipes, you can call me plumber. Yeah, you niggas are bro, need to shut the fuck up. Shout out NHS DJ or RP. Now it's fucked up about Toronto, yo, so fucking much jealousy. But also it's like there's a lot of gang shit. And it's for real, and it's small enough to where you can catch anybody. Like Toronto's pins, right? I'm tight. No, my skid pad is not skiddy. I'm tight, nigga. My beautiful skid pad is not ready for me. Yeah, no, it's too. So the traction differences is way too like, way too. I don't know what the word is. There's too much of a difference between the traction. There's like little patches of snow, little patches of wet, and then little patches of dry. So if you try to slide there, it's gonna have a bad time. Oh no, they closed it, motherfucker! Oh, and it's so snowy, I can see it. Fuck, man. I'm tight. No daytime footage for me then. Shit. Yeah. Yo, that was literally the best fucking spot. Like I can like I can max out third gear in that, but and like holding, like I can hold third gear. Like Montier is so dope. They fucked me over, yo. They knew it. They're like, yo, this nigga's coming back.
It's personal.
Let me see what the ice rink is. What the fuck is a Toronto Mall, bro? Oh, I'm tight. Even here it's fucking cleaned up. I fucked up. I should have got up way earlier. I'm tight. Everything's fucking clean. Like, get out of here. Like, leave me some snow to have fun in. What's wrong with y'all niggas, bro? I see a little bit over there, but what the fuck? Why is it like on a hill? Holy, this parking lot is geek. What's this ground saying? That was super sketchy. Imagine I went over the side. That would have been fucking hilarious. Yeah, that would have been nuts. Yo, ABS is so sus on this car. Like, it just trips you out. Like, it goes so extra. It makes you think, like, bad things are next. Is there anyone in those school buses? I'm so confused. Hell, wow, this ground is terrible. I feel like it's gonna chew up my tires too. This is so beat. That sign said, but apparently what I'm doing is not acceptable. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. God damn it. There's never enough places to hoon! Never! Oh, look at this guy didn't even try. This guy just dumped the whole fucking like thing of salt on the floor. Like I should there was literally like a mound of salt like this. Just in one area. Like the nigga's just like, yeah, fuck it, let's dump it. Like what? I don't think that's how you salt a parking lot. Hey bud, did you have fun? Did you like what you seen? Huh? Yeah, I know you like what you seen. This shit is hilarious, but honestly I'm tight. Like nothing compares to that spot. Nothing compares to my spot. Not my skid pad, but my spot. Like that place is epic. Like fucking maxing out third gear is ridiculous. Haha. Oh shit. Yes, no. Girl, where was you before? Never mind that, she isn't that, so she gotta go. I've been stacking my racks, ooh. Uzi walk on the Mac, ooh. And I get it right back. I gotta cash, yeah. 200 all on my dash, yeah. Yeah, yeah. She done with you like a fire, yeah. My bad, yeah. Stole your love on my bed. Get her what she want in a bag, yeah. I rock Vermont, yeah, from last year. Rock off white with no price tag. I smell Tim Hortons tea biscuit. Boy, I can't see shit. I'm I'm literally like hunting for spots to slide. Like I feel like a cheetah. Like I didn't want to come here because of the stupid cars, but I never feel like I'm DK. Yep, DK confirmed. Come on, let a corner bless me with some open space and some goddamn snow, please. Come on, son. Let a nigga slide, man. Let a nigga have some fun, man. A nigga just trying to slide and have some fun, man. What if I just go on one of these people's like random train, like work yard and start ripping it up? Like, oh, sorry, my car lost track. Get back to the urban slideys it is. Shit. I don't think that guy was supposed to cross at that time. By the way. Oh, come on, truck fucker. Let's go, bro. Oh, this truck fucker, man. I got one potential spot that might be alright, but also it's not really. It's kind of tight. Let's see how it goes. It's Brampton Drive. Have to go Brampton. Mahatma Gursa Brampton Harsma. Yo, shout out my brown niggas in Brampton, bruh.
From the source. There you are.
Bitch, I'm sober than a motherfucker, nigga. Bitch, I'm sober than a third grader, nigga. Oh shit, I done fucked up. Cause I got the cash, yeah. $200 my dash, yeah. She done with you like a fat, yeah. Yeah. My bad, yeah. Stole your love, my bad. Get her what she want in a bag, yeah. Bruh, that song's been stuck in my head all day. Like, I literally cannot. Bitch, like I said on Black Rambo, nigga, I was like, niggas write a lot. I don't even write a thing. Off of the top, spitting bars, or a young nigga could sing. Yo, bitch wanna fuck me in the park on the swings. How about the mud up, rust the dirt up off my shoulder. Coming back Rambo, got a Draco when I pull up in a Rover. Yeah, niggas don't buy no bars, nigga. And me, I freestyle that too. Okay, I'm gonna stop singing that goddamn song. Let's go transition. So I first learned to like transition. It's actually hilarious. It's like a little thingamabobber thing. Nah, it's not gonna be blessed. It's seeing the grips up like right there, I'm saying. Feels like fresh. Could have dealt with it, but it's not trying to get dealt with right now. Voila. So yeah, I don't know. I would say the key to drifting, sliding, whatever car control is just anticipation. You know, you gotta get used to your car, or just get used to how rear-wheel drive cars, you know, with a certain amount of weight and whatever braking power, effect. You know, like I have a good ass. You ever? There's a movie called Rush, Nicky Lauda and shit. And he's like, one of the most important part of driving is having a good ass. You gotta feel everything. So this big black ass of mine, nigga, that shit feel everything, cuz. Big black ass nigga, boy. 6'6" in this bitch, boy. 230, nigga. Bentley, just like chilling. Oh my god. So I don't buy those things, try to flex and finesse. And we find out how much those fucking repair bills are. And then tires, and them bitches probably got like 295s in the rear. 285, who knows? Shit. Big boys though, for sure. Damn, you gonna let me in Pontiac, man? Head back, fuck it. It's pretty much a flop. Hopefully, well, not hopefully, because next time there's some snow, I'll definitely get my bitch ass up early so I can get some good, clear daytime footage. So, yeah, just stay tuned. Motherfucking subscribe. Don't be a bitch ass working out here. It's only me. I ain't got no editor. I ain't got no recorder. I ain't got no fucking director. Nobody to tell me what episode this is today. This is all me, y'all. I'm working, so like, bruh. Fuck with a young nigga, y'all. Fuck with me. Check me out, sub. Anytime I post something, fuck with me, bro. Like, I'm trying to get it. I'll hit one more corner. It's like barely a corner, but... Yeah, I don't appreciate that. Lack of service.
Don't understand, but I say, yeah. Got my hands on my ears, I cannot hear you. Riding through the city, I ain't got no tent, got a clear view. Fucking on your bitch, that bitch love me, but that old bitch left me on the floor. But I got some paper now and all these bitches adore. Got the go-yard bag, riding through the city, bad bitch, you do not fucking drag. She don't drag me down, but I might drag that bitch right around town. I told that hoe, fuck up on my fucking face. Riding through the city, about to chop the shit. I chop the Xannies and the coca, bitch. I can't see a thing now. Riding in the foreign, bitch, I'm soaring in the clouds. That bitch, she a clown. Y'all niggas goofy, fuck up on my face. Not homies now, temporary niggas. So I can tell these niggas clowns. Before I get scary, fuck up on my face. I got the Predator cannon on my wrist. Got a bad bitch on my dick. She just want a tip, but I told that hoe no. Tryna ride through the city in the rental Lambo. Y'all niggas tryna smoke my dro, but I don't give a fuck about you. Never pass that shit, nigga. On the clouds in my solo. Kinda connect, freestyle shit going off the top now. Kinda fuck with you niggas are clowns. Y'all niggas write that shit down. Telling lies, I don't understand how a nigga look up in your eyes and say they are so real. I'm riding through the city, bitch, I'm holding on a steel, for real. That's a manual gated shifter, 458 Rari shit, that's a vintage bitch. Y'all niggas don't know about this shit. Y'all niggas on some modern bullshit. Nigga classic and so classy. Fucking on your bitch and not giving her, that classy dick, nigga. That's some real shit, nigga. I love peso, bitch. Y'all niggas can never ever spit this shit in your life, nigga. Y'all niggas be on some auto-tune, I-trap bullshit. Nigga, what you know about going to college, engineering program shit, chopping little, you know, Xannies and little baggies to these little niggas, bruh, and still graduated with honors, nigga. Y'all niggas tweaking out here. That gangsta shit's bullshit, nigga. I love peso, bitch. Shout out Kevlar Beats. Y'all niggas pussy.